Hello everybody and welcome to my studio. Here's my latest mosaic, which as you can see is a crab. Those of you that know me will know that I've had crabs before, but luckily the doctor gave me antibiotics and it all cleared up in a week. That was a joke, by the way. The ones before were green crabs against a blue background, which is the velvet crab. This one is the orange one, so really he's an edible crab, or in America they call that the Dungeness crab. Beautiful creature. Anyway, this time he's on the sand, and I thought initially that the seaweed would be good enough to provide the frame and the border, but as I continued I felt he was blending in a bit too much, so I've added the border of orange, which I think really helps to pick him out. And that anecdote is a really good reason why I like to work on mesh, because I was able to simply add a bit more mesh and add the border, whereas if I was committed to a substrate I couldn't have done that. Anyway, here he is. He looks very jolly, don't you think? And that's reflected in the verse, which goes like this: the crab. Don't you think that I look grand as I walk sideways along the sand? The water comes up to my belly, and my favourite poet is Percy Bysshe Shelley.